Hello, this is David with TechNewsZone.com and our new laser lab. We have a Monport CO2 40-watt laser. We're going to be doing all kinds of things with it, teaching people how to use it, learning how to use it myself. So we got Lightburn that came with it. My wife likes Back to the Future, so I imported a Back to the Future little poster off the web. And I tried 3 layers. One to do an image. I think I might have turned the power too high. One to do line and one to do just to cut it out. But I've never really used the Monport before. I've used some little toy ones in the past, but I'm trying to laser engrave the image. I think it's going to come out too dark. If it does, I'll redo it again. I'm just doing some test prints. I didn't have any wood laying around, so I'm doing it on cardboard. But it might be too dark because of the power, but it might not be. So we'll see how it comes out. It's going to print for like 50 minutes. I have the CW 5200 industrial cooler running. The